Hello Lawndale students and family members, Principal Knight here, welcoming you back to an exciting new school year. I can't tell you how much we've missed your smiling faces, and we can't wait for you to rejoin us, whether digitally or in person. We promise to extend to you a safe, positive, and challenging learning environment that will help you excel in academics, sports, and fine arts. I hope that you are staying safe and healthy. And I hope that you are also remembering to bring your A game every day. It's going to be an exciting year, and we can't wait to have you rejoin us.